Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today I am going to show you how you can type by your voice in Google Docs. So friend, keep watching. In this video, we will learn something new. And friend, this is my request to you guys. If you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, let's jump into my computer and check it out how we can type by voice on Google Docs. So friend, first of all, what I am doing here, I am going to open my Google Chrome browser. So friend, this is my Google Chrome browser and simply here I am going to type Google Docs. And right now you can see this list. Right now I'm going to open this page and right now we are on Google Docs page. Simply click on this go to Google Docs and here you can see this is the front page of your Google Doc dashboard. And here we are going to click on this blank page. So it will create new document. So friend, here you can see this is my new document and here I'm going to type by voice. Okay, so what I will do, simply friend, you can see this is the menu bar on the top. You can simply click on these tools and friend, here you can see this option voice typing, and here you can also use keyboard shortcut like Ctrl Shift and S. Then this option will open. So for example, I'm going to click over here and friend, you can see this mic option over here. If you want to type by voice, you must connect your microphone into your computer or laptop so you can type by your voice. Okay, so let's see the sample of some text. I will speak in English and that text will type automatically on this page. Okay, so what I will do, simply click on this icon first. So friend, here I'm going to type something new. Okay friend, I hope you see all the words are typing on the screen. So by this way you can easily speak on microphone and that will automatically convert into text. So friend, right now I am going to speak something and that will convert into text. So let's see how it will done. Here I'm going to simply click on this mic icon. Hello friends, my name is Vijay and here I'm going to show you about Google Docs. Now you can type very easily by your voice. Here I'm going to show you some new things about computer. This is sample text. Here I'm going to type my name, Vijay Rajbhar. I'm a software engineer making new softwares like computer billing, account management, and other things. So I hope friend you like this video how to type by your voice on Google Doc, and if maybe you have any query or question you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. And if you are coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading this type of tutorials every week. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.